What's good, YouTube? Mike here. In today's video, you guys read the title, man. How to make a new TikTok account if you got banned. And I've already done these videos in the past. I've done one 4 months ago that has 13,000 views, which is insane, bro, because people actually need help making an account even if they got banned. So I'm here to help you guys. But I made 2 videos like this. One I just told you guys, and the other one I made 8 months ago when my first account got banned on TikTok, and that video has 21,000 views on my channel. And that's the highest viewed video I have on my channel. I love you guys so much, man. So I'm coming back with another video because people wanted part 2. Here's actually part 3 because I already made 2 other videos. So I'm gonna go step by step how I made another TikTok account, because I tried to make another TikTok account and do what I said in that last video, that I use a VPN and then I go on TikTok, make a whole new account, blah, blah, blah. But it didn't work for me. People in the comments in the last video I made about this said it didn't work for them. Now this this way didn't work for me either. So I had to improvise. So I'm gonna show you guys step by step what I did to make a whole new TikTok account, because the only way you can get your account back on TikTok is if you spam their email, or you just have a big following and your supporters, they spam the email as well and you get your account back. That's the only way I know how to get your account back on TikTok when you got banned. So the other way is for you to make a whole new account, because we all know TikTok be on BS. So you have to make a whole new account. It's better than not being on the platform at all, you feel me? So here's what I did. I had to go on my computer and make a whole new account because TikTok didn't let me make a whole new account. Like I told you guys in the beginning, it kept saying my account is suspended, my account is permanently banned. And when it says your account is suspended, that means TikTok banned your phone. So you can't even make a whole new account on your phone or your IP or whatever. So you have to make a whole new account on the computer. That's the first way I did it. The other way you can make an account on your phone, even though you're suspended, is to delete your app and turn off your phone completely. Shout out to Ruth Annie for telling me to delete my app, because right when I deleted the app, the suspension got taken off. So thank you, Ruth Annie. Shout out to you. This is what I did on the computer. Let me show you guys. So the first thing I did, let me just show you guys that I'm actually banned on TikTok still. It's loading right now. Here we go. Oh, I'm banned. Yep, I'm banned. The first thing you want to do is sign up for a whole new account. And if you actually make a whole new TikTok account, you might need to make a whole new email first. If you guys don't know how to do that, it's so easy, bro. Just make a whole new email. Go on Google, type in Gmail, sign up or whatever, make a whole new email, and you'll be good. That's the first step. The second step is to sign up for that email you just made. Next, what you want to do is go to TikTok on your computer, go to sign up, click continue with your Google, and do the email you just signed up, or any email you have, it doesn't matter. Next, type in your birthday, and then here you go, make a whole new username, and then you sign up. That's how easy it is, you feel me? Okay, so I just showed you guys step by step on how to make a brand new TikTok account if you got banned on the computer. Like I said, on your phone, all you have to do, if you had a suspension like me and you can't even make an account on your phone at all, just delete the app and then turn off your phone, turn your phone back on, download the app again, and then you can create an account easily. You shouldn't need a VPN at that point. But if you can't make an account on your computer, I suggest you use a VPN. The VPN I use to make a brand new account on my computer is VPN. VEPN. That's what I use. Download that to your Chrome browser, add that to your extension browser thingy, and then you can use that to make a brand new account on your computer. It's really simple. I went through step by step how to do it, how to make a brand new account, and now I have a brand new TikTok account. So if you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, leave a like for more videos, and now I have a brand new TikTok account. So if you guys want to follow me, it's Miketooreal 2.0. So follow me on TikTok if you guys want. If this video helped you, leave a like, comment down below if this helped you, and yeah, I love y'all. I'll see y'all later. Peace.